Hello everyone, welcome to the 2021 Samsung reveal. Let's quickly go through some of the products that was announced and some of their specs. First up is the new Galaxy Buds Pro. It comes with the most intelligent active noise cancellation on true wireless earbuds so that you can transition seamlessly between your personal space and the world around you. The goal for the buds is simple, to deliver the best sound experience. And how do they plan on doing that? They designed a SIP or system in package to free up a lot of space inside the bud and to have space for the two-way speakers, woofer and a tweeter, produced by AKG. It also delivers 360 degrees sound using Dolby head tracking. When you turn your head, the Samsung Galaxy Buds will track movement and centers you in the scene of the movie you're watching. The active noise cancellation is monitored by the outside mic for the ambient noise and the inside mic for the noise inside your ear. Based on these two mics, the chips in the Galaxy Buds Pros generate an anti-noise signal and eliminates up to 99% of background noise in real time. The intelligent active noise control picks up your voice with the mic as soon as you start to speak, and the vibrations are picked up with sensors. An advanced AI algorithm makes sure your voice is not mistaken with someone else's voice. Call quality is also very important. The Galaxy Buds Pros have 3 mics, 2 on the outside and 1 on the inside, to maximize call clarity. Once the inside mic detects that you are speaking, the 2 outer mics perform beam forming to funnel your voice directly to the mics to minimize external noise and amplify your voice. When there is wind blowing over the buds, the wind is redirected away from the mic, and intelligent software recognizes the differences between your voice and cancels out the wind. Galaxy Buds Pro can auto-switch between your devices. You can watch a video on your tablet, and when your phone rings, it automatically switches to your phone. The shape is designed to sit on 3 points of your ear, so it won't fall out as easily as other previous buds. It has an IPX7 rating. It's also compatible with Galaxy Buds Live accessories. There are 3 colors: black, phantom violet and silver. They will be available for $199, be available from the 15th of January. Next on the list is the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. The new body covers the camera in a new design. The S21 with polycarbonate body and S21 Plus and S21 Ultra with a metal body. All the models have the new Gorilla Glass. The S21 screen size is 6.2 inch, the S21 Plus screen size is 6.7 inch. The new screens have dynamic AMOLED 2X and has 48 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate at 1080p, 1300 peak nits, 2 million to 1 contrast ratio, improved outdoor visibility, eye comfort shield that will optimize the display and reduce the blue light as you are using it. Let's have a quick look at the cameras on the S21 and S21 Plus. 12 megapixels ultra wide camera, f2.2, field of view of 120 degrees, pixel size of 1.4 micrometers. The 12 megapixel wide camera with super speed dual pixel autofocus, f1.8, field of view 79 degrees, pixel size 1.8 micrometers. And then you have the 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times hybrid zoom, f2.0, optical image stabilization, field of view of 76 degrees, pixel size 0.8 micrometers. The Galaxy S21 series has a brand new processor, and with the cameras and the new AI, the pictures that you take are stunning. The front-facing camera or selfie camera has a 10 megapixel and has enhanced auto white balance to produce more natural photos. The 8K video recording has a feature called 8K Video Snap that you can snap a 33 megapixel photo from your 8K video, so you don't have to choose between taking a video or taking a photo. Director's view gives you a preview of what the shot will look like with each of the different cameras on screen while recording. The processor is a 5nm CPU with 20% increase, GPU 35% increase, and AI 2 times faster than the previous generation. ARM technology has been adapted to give the extra speed, giving you the power to reach speed of up to 20 tera operations per second. There is a new enhanced security processor on the phone. You can remove location data on your pictures or videos, and private share can let you share pictures and videos with your friends for a limited time that you can choose. The new processor runs games better and faster, using less power and run cooler than previous Galaxy devices. With 5G, you can stream your favorite games using services like Game Pass, and your battery should last for a day. The new UI is called One UI 3. It has a refined design, customization with dark mode, lock screen has more widgets with transparency. A quick look at the storage options. You have the 128GB or 256GB with both 8GB of RAM and no SD card slot. The S21 has a 4000 mAh battery, and the S21 Plus has a 4800 mAh battery. Both 25 watt fast charging, and also both without a charger in the box. Both of the phones are IP68 rated. The S21 will be priced from $799 and the S21 Plus from $999, and they're available from January 29th. And now for the S21 Ultra. The cameras are all reworked and software improved. You have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, f2.2 field of view 120 degrees, pixel size 1.4 micrometer, and it's also the camera that's used for macro shots. It will detect, the laser autofocus will detect if an object is closer than 30 centimeters from the phone, and will switch automatically to this camera. 108 megapixel wide camera, pixel size 0.8 micrometers. It uses the Rewove, f1.8 field of view 83 degrees, pixel size 1.8 micrometers with optical image stabilization. There's also the new Nona binning, 2.4 micrometer 12 megapixel focal length of 24 millimeters. Then there's the 10 times 10 megapixel telephoto camera with super speed dual pixel autofocus, 10 times optical zoom, f4.9 optical image stabilization, a pixel size of 1.22 micrometer and a focal length of 240 millimeters. And last but not least, the 3 times 10 megapixels telephoto camera, super speed dual pixel autofocus, 3 times optical zoom, f2.4 optical image stabilization, pixel size 1.22 micrometer, focal length of 72 millimeters, and also the laser autofocus sensor. All the cameras on the phone, including one on the front, can record at 4K 60 fps. The front-facing selfie camera on the S21 Ultra is a 40 megapixel camera. It basically has the same screen as the S21 and S21 Plus, but the adaptive refresh rate is between 10 and 120 Hz, as the peak nits go up to 1500. The S21 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery, also with 25 watt fast charging. The storage options are also 128GB or 256GB with both 12 gigs of RAM, or the 512GB with 16 gigs of RAM, and also no SD card slot. S21 Ultra has support for the S Pen and the S Pen Pro that comes out later this year, but there's no internal slot to store the pen. You need to buy a different external cover for that, and it's also IP68 rated. The S21 Ultra is available January 29th from $1,199. That's all we have for now for the Samsung 2021 reveal. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.